Hi, this is Jenna and I'm going to show you how simple it is to create a video in Adobe Spark. So I'm at spark.adobe.com and I'm going to click on plus and video, and I'm signed in with my Google account. So if you don't already have an account, you might need to create one. But once I am creating a video, then it's going to ask me to title it, and this first video, I think I'll just do a video about October. There we go. I could use a template or I can start from scratch. In this case, I'm going to start from scratch. And I don't need this tutorial. So I'm going to work on this first slide. And this is going to be my title slide, so I definitely want text on there, but I think I want an image too. So in the layout on the right hand side, if I click split screen, I can click this plus and do text, and then on the right hand side I can click the plus and maybe I want to search for an icon image, and it searches the noun project, and these images are in the Creative Commons. And if it needs an attribution, the nice thing is that Adobe Spark automatically puts it in the credits. Okay, so now I'm ready to record. And when I want to record, I hold down the record button as long as I'm talking. And what I tell students is wait for 2 seconds in your head and then lift up the button. Okay, so let's go. October by Jenna. And then if I want to preview it, I press this play button. October by Jenna. Okay, if I don't like it, all I have to do is re-record by pressing the button and re-recording, and then it'll just automatically record over your last take. So that's why it's so simple that this is a tool we definitely use with even kindergartners. So now I click plus if I want a new slide. In this case, I'm going to search for a photo, and it's already using the search term that I used before, so I'll just keep it as pumpkin and I'll find the image that I like. Then I would record what I have to say about it, but in the interest of time, I'm going to just add a new slide and click photo again. And if I want to promote student creation, I like my students to take their own photos and upload them to their computer, because then when I'm in a program like this, I can upload a photo that I took, open it, and then if you find that it doesn't fit in the whole page and you need to edit a little, there's an edit button in the upper right hand corner, and I can zoom out until I'm at the place that I like it. So I think that looks good. I'm going to click out and back in to see if it saved the changes, and it did. And some of the things that you can also do in here is you can change the theme. So if I didn't like this black and white theme, which as I'm scrolling through, I don't really see any other ones that would go well with October, but let's see, if I wanted it to be red, if I click on this, it's going to preview what it's going to look like with that new theme. And I don't think I like that for October, so I think I'll go back to this Elevate theme and keep it like that. And then if I wanted to change the music, I click on music and I find another song and I can preview it. And as long as there's a little check mark by it, then that means that song is selected. And to preview the whole creation, click the play button down here. October by Jenna. And if all of your recordings sound good, everything is to your satisfaction, then you can click download to download it to your computer, or if you click share, as long as you have a title and you've chosen a category, you don't have to have your name and you don't have to share it to the Adobe Spark website. You can click on this create link button and it will create a link and you can share it with others. So happy creating!